国际上要紧来看南非的这约翰尼斯堡一间酒吧酒馆，拜六半暝发生枪案，当时有10个凶手是熊冲入来扫射，嘛造成9个人死亡，10个受伤，目前是也未抓到凶手。
大阵的监视人员进入案发现场，受损的车辆当要互人拖走去。这间伫约翰尼斯堡高挂的酒吧，12月2日天也未光，熊互人直直甲开枪。
Sifika nangempela masivula abantu balele sizame ukubathutha abantu sibathutha ngekeriva sibamawilbhara sibase eklinikhi。
警方表示有9个嫌犯举9公分的手枪，一个人举 AK-47步枪，部分是挂面搭，枪手伫证人离开现场的时继续乌白开枪。
10 males alighted from those two vehicles, unprovoked, just randomly shot the patrons, and out of that. 3 people were shot and killed there, 10 were injured. And in that process, 2 other people tried to run away. They got into their black Golf that was here. They were shot and killed while there. 3 other people also with the group of other people, they were running away. 3 were shot.
警方补充，有2个受害者伫走离开酒吧的时阵被弹到。第3个受害者是一个拄伫附近载客线的客停车司机。这已经是过去3礼拜以来南非第2届酒吧的枪击案。南非是全世界谋杀率上悬的国家之一。官方表示，警方资源无够，人力无够集中，呼吁军方介入保护居民。根据警方的数据，今年4月到9月，平均每天有63个人被杀死，原因一般拢是冤家、抢劫甲殴打暴力。这个案件犯案动机不明，目前已经开始抓人。记者综合报道。